Yo. Big Cash back up in here. Shout out to Chick Smooth, man. They just reported on day one, the defamation. Drake versus UMG, Kendrick Lamar, Judge Grills lawyers in court, defamation lawsuit, day one. Let's get into it, y'all. This is the moment we've been waiting for. Y'all let me know. You on Drake's side? You on UMG side? Who y'all got? How y'all think this thing gonna turn out? I'm gonna leave a link in the description. Before we get into that, y'all make sure y'all pick up a copy of Street Dad, Geek Dad, Avoiding the Manufactured Mindset, written by me, Big Kish. The link will be in the description for purchase. I appreciate y'all's support. Y'all know I'm like holding y'all. Without further ado, let's get it.
Get ready. You know what to do, Chick.
Look at Chick Smooth.
Hey, Chick Smooth. Appreciate all the coverage that you've been doing. I've been watching your shit for a while. I just subscribed to your shit too, bro.
Oh man, we are finally here, you guys. The day has arrived. Now, today was day one for the hearing about UMG's request for dismissal in Drake versus UMG's case. Now, you guys all know this is for the defamation case after Drake was called a certified pedophile by Kendrick. The lawyers from both sides were in court today to present their arguments about their certified PDF line. Now, if you guys want daily updates, please make sure you guys go follow Inner City Press.
Oh yeah, he be on it. He be on it. I reacted to one of his posts. He did the whole breakdown on one of them GNX features. He be on it.
Actually in the courtroom, and he's actually tweeting live. The judge's name is Judge Vargas. She told UMG's lawyer, "You seem to say a diss track could never be defamatory, but New York law says the form is not dispositive." UMG lawyer responded saying, "Look at the shock jock case." Judge Vargas responds back saying, "That's not the same thing. Perhaps the court needs more information and cannot dismiss." Then Judge Vargas goes on to ask UMG's lawyer, "What are certified pedophile?" They responded saying it's a play on certified lover boy. Judge Vargas responds back saying, "But would the ordinary listener know the name of Drake's album, Certified Lover Boy?" UMG lawyer says the context is all the rumors about Drake and young females. Now, Lawyers for Workers was also in court as well today, and here's his take on how things went today in court.
Drake versus Universal Music Group. Judge Vargas just completed her hearing on the motion to dismiss. Let me tell you what I think she's going to do with this case. As you know, Drake sued Universal Music claiming defamation in the publication of the song Not Like Us, making him and calling him a pedophile when in fact he never was. Universal Music Group moved to dismiss those claims. They say, "Judge, you can't actually bring a lawsuit like this." Why? Because the statement, certified lover boy, certified pedophile, first off, how do you certify a lover boy in the same way you certify a pedophile? Hyperbole, trash talk, just nonsense being said in rap songs. That's not something you can sue for. You have to dismiss this case. What do I think the judge is going to do? Universal's big argument is that look at the context of what happened here. In the tailor-made freestyle, Drake was out there saying, "Yeah, go ahead, talk about how I like young girls. That's going to be a win for me." That's an actual...
I thought he said that's a gift for me. Oh, he said win for me?
Actual quote from the tailor-made freestyle. And now Kendrick comes back, he accepts his invitation to talk about the young girls. So what's the problem? This is the trash talk back and forth that we all expected to happen in this rap battle. Drake's lawyers made a great argument, which is, wait a second, Not Like Us was not part of the rap battle. Yeah, it was a song in the rap battle, but it eclipsed the rap battle and became its own thing, a cultural phenomenon, a song like no other song in the history of music, quite frankly. It got to 300 million streams in 35 days. Nothing else has ever done that. Today, it sits at 9 billion streams. The way Universal took this song and pushed it out, they made it into something else. The judge's decision is basically, what would a reasonable listener listening to this song decide? Arguably, the judge could find that a reasonable listener, I don't know who the reasonable listener is. It's too early in the case. I need more evidence. I need more discovery. I need to actually see what people have been saying about this song, what people can testify about how they heard it, so on and so forth. Long story short, I think what's going to happen in this case, the motion to dismiss will get denied. It's way too early to try to dismiss this case. Either way, this case will get appealed to the Second Circuit, and so you're going to have this case going on and on for quite a long time. I think this case needs to settle because the way these lawyers, and the lawyers were both phenomenal on both sides, the way these lawyers were going, all the issues that the judge brings up.
They did their knowledge. They did their knowledge. They did the book work. They did the knowledge. I might go. Hey, look, oh man, where is this at? New York?
This looks like a case that could last with appeals for years and years and years, going all the way to the Supreme Court. Drake could get a huge bag. Universal could win, which would be terrible because the conversation around this lawsuit will continue on, making Drake seem like a crybaby. Settle this case.
Once again, that's his opinion. Please do not take it as a fact. We all know what happens every single time we rush to a conclusion. Now, there's also this very interesting exchange between Drake's lawyer and the judge. Drake's lawyer said, UMG made this song, referring to Not Like Us, more culturally ubiquitous than any other 9 billion streams played at a bar mitzvah. Judge Vargas responds saying an interesting bar mitzvah that would play the song. Judge Vargas then says, then there's the use of the AI voice of Tupac. Drake's lawyer responds,
yeah, they're about to make this into a shit show, just like the Young Thug case, just like the P. Diddy thing. I told y'all, the new genre for hip-hop, according to, this is what they trying to make. No, I ain't mean to say that. They are trying to make this the new hip-hop. Whoever could get in trouble and get in court so we can make it go last however long. That's what it seemed like this happened. All these damn court cases, man. This don't make no sense. This is crazy.
Bond saying, I'm not convinced of the relevance. The judge says, wait, shouldn't I view the entire rap battle? Drake's lawyer says, well, this was unique. Judge says, Kendrick Lamar did not know he'd perform at the Super Bowl. Drake's lawyer responds saying, UMG republished the material with knowledge when it launched the Super Bowl campaign. There were 3 attacks on his home. The cover art is Drake's home with sex offender location tags. The judge then responds with something very interesting. She says, wait, didn't Drake say Kendrick Lamar is not the biological father of his child? Drake's lawyer responds,
the judge is listening to the music. The judge is judging right now. Hold on. Y'all keep complaining about what Kendrick Lamar said about Drake. But hold on, let's rewind. Didn't Drake say that those aren't Kendrick Lamar's children? What you got to say about that?
Bond saying the court does not have enough information on that. So overall, some very interesting exchanges between the judge and the lawyers on both sides. Right now, there's no telling which way the judge is leaning, but it's definitely good to know that the judge is not only informed, but she has knowledge of what happened during the battle. Listen, man, you guys get in the comments below.
It sound like the judge is being fair. It sound like the judge is like, Drake, we're not playing with it. We're not playing. Yeah. What about what you said? You said some stuff too. I ain't playing with you. That's what I like. This is somebody that Drake can't pay off. Drake is so used to paying people off. Allegedly. YouTube, you know I'm a comedian. I don't know what I'm talking about. I just be saying stuff. But allegedly, Drake is used to paying people off, getting them in the pocket. You know what I'm saying? You can't do that with this judge. I want to get some insight on this. Can't wait. So this is day 1, y'all. And we will be reacting to day 2, 3, 4, 5, however it lasts, I meant. Yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think. Will Drake come out as the victor? Will UMG come out as the who's going to come out on top? Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Big Kish signing out. I'm going, y'all.